If your 99 Ford Ranger is sitting dead in the driveway, don't panic. We can narrow this down in 2 minutes. Over a third of non-starting issues on this generation are simply due to aged batteries or corroded terminals. Before you start buying parts, let's follow a logical path to find the actual culprit. Start with the basics by verifying battery power and listening for the fuel pump to prime when you turn the key. If the engine cranks but won't fire, your fuel pump inertia switch might have tripped after a hard bump. Check your coil packs for cracks, as moisture can get inside and prevent the spark needed to start. Most Ranger starting issues are simple electrical fixes, but a dead fuel pump usually requires dropping the tank. While a sensor is a cheap fix, be prepared for higher costs if your fuel pump has finally given up. If you hear a single click, try shifting to neutral or lightly tapping the starter motor to see if it engages. Grab a basic scan tool to see if the computer is reporting any hidden sensor failures. Remember that on a truck this age, clean connections are often more important than new parts. Work through these steps and you'll have that Ranger back on the road in no time. Good luck.